Hi guys, welcome back to this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm gonna show you how to level up your video using curve speed on CapCut. So first, import your videos and select the first clips, and here go to speed, curve, and then choose the montage. This one's right here. Click on the check icon, and then next click on a second clip and go to speed again, curve, and this time choose bullet, this one, and click on the check icon. So you need to repeat these steps for all of the clips. So you need to add the montage and bullet in alternating speed. So here montage, bullet, and the next one is montage again. Okay, and the next one is bullet. Okay, so just do it alternatingly. Okay, and then the next one, choose bullet. Click on the check icon, and now this is the final result of the ways of level up your video using curve speed. It's a little bit lagging, but that's fine. That's because of my CapCut. Okay guys, so that's all for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to click thanks, like, and subscribe for more content. I'll see you all in the next videos. Bye.